Okay guys, now we're gonna do the next problem at Leetcode. Problem number 51st, N queens. The N queen puzzle is a problem of placing N queens on an N into N chessboard such that no two queens attack each other. Okay, so given an integer and return all distinct solution to the N queens puzzle. Each solution contains a distinct board configuration of N queens placement where Q and dot both uh, indicate a queen and an empty space respectively. So this is how we're going to do this. First we are going to have create a variable, a result variable, which we are going to return at the end of the algorithm. Sorry. Okay, so let's define this as the array list. So once we're done with this, we're going to have a character array C new char n. We're going to use arrays.fill to fill C with dots. Once this is done, we will create a string array s s new string array size n. After I have another array size n, I will call the fill function again, and I'm going to have arrays dot copy of C n times, then string dot value of function convert stuff into string, so changing character into string. Once we're done with this, we have a grid for us, a prototype grid. Now I'm going to create flags. So boolean column flag is equal to new boolean array of size n, because I have n columns. I'm going to have another flag for diagonal, 45-degree diagonal, and diagonal 135-degree diagonal, because I have how much, 2 n minus 1 diagonals, 45-degree diagonals, and 2 into n minus 1, 145-degree diagonals. And as we know that queen, it it goes diagonally and it goes you know by column and rows. So then I'm going to have a helper function to which I'm going to pass my result, my string, my flags. I have 3 of them. And in sorry, 0, this is for row. So basically, I'm gonna increment my row and iterate through the column. So kind of like that. So then void helper function, which is going to take my return variable, my string s, boolean flag. Oh my god, I didn't. I forgot the array sign. Okay, now I can copy. Okay, I have these three. Then I'm going to have an integer row and integer n. If row equal to n, because I have n minus 1 rows starting from 0, of course. So this would mean that yeah, I've covered all the rows. So I'll just add new array list where I'm going to have uh, arrays dot as list function s. My s array, I'm going to turn it into a list and store it in my result function. Pretty neat, yeah, this trick. Column equal to 0, column smaller than n, column plus plus. Nothing out of the ordinary here. Then an if condition that if column flag for the column is equal to, let's be clever about it, not, I want this to be false. Then I'm going to have not diagonal flag for column plus row. You just think about it. You know, column plus row is the 45-degree diagonal, yeah, number. And similarly, not I'm sorry. So not flag n minus 1 minus row plus column, because you know it, you can visualize this, that you know 145-degree uh, is mirror image of a 45-degree across the, you know, a certain column. So basically column doesn't change it. Row, if I subtract row from n minus 1, that will give me the opposite, you know, end of the, that will create a mirror image of the 45-degree diagonal. So let's go ahead. If all of these are false, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign true to these. Okay, these are true now. Now what? Now I'm going to have a character array C is equal to new char of size n, or rather, let's be a bit clever about it. Let's take s column two character array. The C needs to be capital here. Okay, once I have this, I'll just go to S row and I'll give a queen to it. Oh, I'm sorry, sorry, C, C rows. Then I'm going to go to S column and I'm going to new string C. Okay, wonderful. Then let's copy the helper function from above and just make row plus one. Then just copy the code from above and revert back the flags once my recursion, my function call, it returns, because I have to check for the other things as well. I just cannot leave the whatever changes I've done. I have to revert back and check for other combinations. So this looks good. Let's try this. 14th. I have a bracket problem at 14th. Here was to okay. Looks good now. C is already, oh okay, I'm so sorry guys. Let's try now. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Okay, it's working. Let's submit it. Okay, thanks for your time guys.